The Athenia Mark II, which will be for the first time showed at the IAA show, is actually a great offering for our customers. It shows great energy savings, 15 to 25%, plus it has a full application range from diesel, hybrid to also full electric.
This is Athenia Mark II. This is an evolution of the product. There is the E module where you can see the hermetically sealed compressor on board. This typically would be used in applications where there's a large amount of high voltage AC, such as trolleybus. And then we're very excited to introduce the EA module, which has both the compressor on board and the Thermo King power electronics. Those power electronics are able to work with just about any input. As you can see, we actually have a bus with a unit on the top, and the bus can pull up and there can be a standby location where AC power is available. So this is particularly useful, for instance, for pre-cooling the bus in the morning. This means that we've got higher levels of efficiency. We've invested heavily in the R&D centre in the Czech Republic, and this is one of the cool things that they've been working on, the power electronics. This system here that we have today is hermetically sealed, so the compressor is on board, meaning that we have a low amount of refrigerant and quite a small refrigerant circuit. That means that we can use the different refrigerants that we see that we'll be using in the future. On board with this unit, we have the technology that's allowing us to deliver the efficiency savings. A big part of that comes from the fact that we can decouple the performance of the system from the engine RPM. The power electronics that we have on board allow us to completely break that link.
Compared to a traditional system, which is basically a driven compressor by the engine of the vehicle, we are saving something today of 15% of energy. We plan to get up to 20-25%. So that's a major improvement.
We're looking to maintain the level of comfort in the vehicle and to give the municipality or the operator of the vehicle the opportunity to set the amount of comfort that he has inside the vehicle for the passengers. As far as the OEM or bodybuilder or bus builder is concerned, he's able to have one platform, the Athenia platform, and with the different modules we've got, with very little or no change to the roofs, he can service all these different applications and all these different drive changes, again with little or no change.